in class 4. Open page 13 of your English grammar book. Today we will start lesson number 3 of English grammar book, that is prepositions. Prepositions, Urdu meaning of preposition is haruf-e-rabt. Prepositions are words that show the relationship of a noun or a pronoun to another word in a sentence. मीन prepositions ऐसे अल्फाज होते हैं जो कि नाउन या प्रोनाउन का रिलेशनशिप शो करते हैं किसी दूसरे वर्ड से. Nouns, as you know, the naming words, the name of people, places and things are nouns, and pronouns are the words that use in place of a noun. And prepositions show the relationship of a noun or a pronoun to another word. The another word may be a verb or any object. So let's see the examples. The baby is in the prom. The baby is in the prom. So the word in this sentence is the preposition. The boy ran across the street. The boy ran across the street. The word across in this sentence is the preposition word. The boy ran across the street. Laura was playing with the doll. Laura was playing with the doll. The word with, that shows the relationship of the noun Lara and the verb playing, and also with the word doll, that is object. So the word with is the preposition in this sentence. The crow drank water from the jug. The word from is the preposition in this sentence. The crow drank water from the jug. From is the preposition. The words in, across, with and from are examples of prepositions. Prepositions are words that shows the relationship of a noun or a pronoun to another word in a sentence. Let's understand. Read the sentences below. Find the prepositions and write them in your notebook. In these sentences, we will find the prepositions. First one is, the kite was flying in the sky. The kite was flying in the sky. The word in is the preposition in this sentence. Kite आसमान में उड़ रही थी. Second one, the birds flew across the lake. The birds flew across the lake. The word across is the preposition in this sentence. Third one, he sat on the horse and rode away. He sat on the horse and rode away. On is the preposition in this sentence. Fourth one, there was a chair between two tables. There was a chair between two tables. The word between is the preposition in this sentence. Fifth one, the naughty boy hid behind the bushes. The naughty boy hid behind the bushes. Hid mean छुपा, naughty शरारती. The naughty boy hid behind mean पीछे, across behind the bushes. Bushes mean झाड़ियाँ. Look at this pic. The naughty boy hid behind the bushes. So the word behind is the preposition in this sentence.